Hey, good morning. My name is Scott Ryerson. I'm with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our newly arrived 2021 Mastercraft X26. We went with the white hull with the black metal flake, mica metal flake on this boat. Beautiful outside, and the black Mastercraft logo here. It's got the nice tandem matching black trailer. Do a nice profile shot of this boat and then bring you on into the boat and tell you all about it. All right, this boat has the black mica silver metal flake swim deck with the sea decking on it. Got the nice walkthrough here. Stereo transom control when you're sitting here on these nice back seats. You can sit here with a cup holder and control your stereo. Really nice when you're hanging out at the coves on this boat. Makes it really nice. As you walk through this boat, stepping on in, we'll go ahead and just take you through. We have the Z4 tower, which has the swivel wakeboard and wake surf racks that swivel all the way in and all the way out with the nice clamping to tighten everything in nicely. Easy fold down tower. And because this boat is equipped with the advanced premium audio, we have the Klish 8-inch tower speakers up here. And then coming on into the boat, lots of storage in this boat. All the seats flip up, nicely hinged. Tons of storage, built-in cooler on the other side here to keep everything stowed away and out of the way. Something that's very unique to the X26, you can sit either direction in the boat, so you kind of have the co-captain's chair feel, so it's very nice. You can sit forward in a towboat, so that's a nice feature of the X26. Over here on the command center here, we got the dual screen. You'll see this here. This is actually equipped with a bow thruster on this boat, a front bow thruster, and it's controlled here by this joystick. Makes it super easy to maneuver this boat in very, very tight spaces around docks and getting the boat in and out of things very nicely. Comes with a nice battery or phone charger here. Moving on over here, this boat also unique to the X26 Mastercraft. It does have a bathroom. Lots of storage, deep bathroom, little sink and a light. It also is heated. And now that I mentioned the heaters, this boat is equipped with heaters throughout. Captain's chair is heated and the co-captain's chair is heated. So if you want to go boating on a nice cool day, you have heaters on the boat. Makes it nice for using the boat all year round. You can see that out of the way trash can here. It also is equipped with a water wash down, so you can wash your feet, clean the boat out nicely. The hose plugs in right in here. Another unique thing about the X26 is a side walkthrough. Lots of room. You come on through the boat. Has a huge playpen. I mean, this thing's monstrous. 5 people can sit up here very easily. It has a removable bow filler cushion here, so you can take that out if you want for your legs, or just have a nice big playpen seating. Speakers up here with the cup holders. So this boat, like I said, is 26 feet long. It's equipped with the 6.2, 430 horsepower motor. Plenty of horsepower for this boat. It's a great cruising boat, an unbelievable day boat just to get on the lake all day and drive around. Or if you want to surf, this thing has a fantastic, huge wake surf wake and wakeboards. It does all the water sports really well. Come on out to Mastercraft, or come on out to Greenville and see this beautiful Mastercraft X26, or check us out at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or give us a call at 864-936-9005.